Okay, so I'll firstly start this tutorial by explaining what IP address version 4 entails. The first part, which is the network part, and the second part, which is the host. So, alright, and I'll be showing you 3 ways you can connect, either by you connecting to a wireless, which is a Wi-Fi. So let me show you. So it's either by connecting through a Wi-Fi. So both devices will be connected on the same router, having the same network address but different host. So alright, so with this they can also connect, and also you can use another person's smartphone to serve as the hotspot and ensure that both devices are also connected to it, having the same network or different hosts. So the IP address might be different from this, might not be this, might not, but what I'm just trying to illustrate is that make sure that the network part, they are the same. So alright, the one I'll be using in this tutorial is I'll be using my phone as a hotspot. I'll be connecting my PC to it, so which is the quickest and easiest way. So once both devices are connected and having the same network card, different hosts, we are good to go. Just ensure that both devices are connected, and let's go on to how we can check it on CMD if devices have the same network address. So let's go further. The first thing that we need to do now is to open our CMD. So there's a shortcut here, Windows+R. So you can type in CMD, then Shift Control Enter. So we can open our CMD. Alright. So after you have connected both devices on the same network, the first thing you need to do is just IPConfig. You can also check the hotspot. So alright, my phone and my PC is connected to my phone. So let me check IPConfig. So okay, search for wireless network. So we can see it here, wireless network. So now this is the IP of our system, the IP4, and this is the gateway, and this is the default gateway. So this is the hotspot IP address. So another thing we can do now is to check if our communication is successful. We can ping the IP address of our phone. That's 192.168.43.207. So we can see they are both communicating. You see we have a reply. So on. Now, how do you know that those devices are not connected? If we ping and the result of that our CMD is showing us is request time, and that means they are not successfully connected. Maybe there is a firewall blocking between them. So alright, we have successfully seen that both devices are connected, and we've seen the IP of both devices. So now what we need to do is to go straight to our FreeShow app. So once we are there, so this is the FreeShow interface. This is the PDF I just uploaded so that we can use it for the tutorial. Now you head down straight towards settings and you go to connections. So a quick recap on what these connections mean. Stage show is just a representation of this. So we'll be showing this. Output show is just a representation of this output show. So but what we need to focus on here is remote show and control show. So let's firstly try what remote show is all about. So it's on already, but let me on it again so that we can see the IP. Now if you look at it very well, you see that the IP address is similar to what we pinged on. So now all you need to do is now is go to your phone web browser type in this address. So you see it's already typed on my phone. So you can close it then. So just keep briefing until. So we can see now it's connected. So you just need to enter the password. I think that has automatically received by itself. So you can see these are my presentation on my phone. So the presentations are showing. So I clicked on image, I sent to the output, clicked on this, goes to the output. So from here I can pick my presentation. So I pick my presentation. I will select anyone. You see how it's working. See how it's going. See how it's working. On both devices, they are both sync. So one quick tip here is how you can import your files. You can go to import, go to media, select the PDF you want to import and import it. Now I've imported the PDF. So one thing I noticed is that if you are trying to slide show a PDF, it will be kind of a little bit slow. So what you do is to convert it to images. So once you convert it to images, you see it here. So it will be easy for you to navigate it and it will be fast for you to display. So you can see it's a little bit faster than when it's in PDF. Now look at these buttons below. Look at this, is so you can walk around with it. This is just to show it previous and next. While this is the home screen, while this is you can select. So let's look at this song now. Send it into the output, send it into that. So alright, now let's move on to the next one. Control show. So go back to our settings, our connections. Okay. You can see that one device is connected. It's showing that one device is connected. So let's see control show also. Control show is saying at 5512. So let's just change. Let's edit it here and change this to 12. Gotta come in. So I'm trying to access control show. Control show is taking a bit of time. Sometimes if you encounter problems that you just have to restart the FreeShow app. So once you have restarted it, I'll just keep refreshing. You see it will pop up. So That's that for control show. Now if we click on open a presentation, so we have opened the presentation. So clicking on this, you will navigate it easily. Now if you look at this, these are some part of control show that is road. Look at pointer. We look at the output screen here very well. We change it to focus. You see that something is going on there. Look at the output screen. If we change it to paint, you see that something is going on there. If we change it to zoom, you see that it's going on well. Something is going on there. So if we change it to pointer also, let me see what pointer is all about. It's like pointer doesn't want to work this morning. Okay. So focus and the rest and so on. So that's that for this tutorial. Breathe, next, breathe, next, breathe, next, and so on. So that's that for this tutorial. So sometimes if you are having issues with connections, what you need to do is, sometimes firewall might be blocking the connection. So what you need to just do is type on firewall. Allow firewall to go. Okay, naming firewall. Window Defender firewall. So what you need to do is click on this, allow app or features through Window Defender firewall. So what you need to do is to what? Click on allow another app. So browse the app, FreeShow. I've already done that, so just add it and make sure that you check both private and public network. So if you don't do this, you might be facing issues with the connections. It might not work and it might work. So this is another tip for you to check if it's not working for you, so you can add it here. Let me see how I've added it here. So you see my FreeShow is both on private and public network. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you for your time. Stay blessed. So if you have any complaint, you have any issues concerning the setup, please do well to leave a comment in the comment section below and we'll reply you soon. Thank you so much for watching, and please do well to subscribe and like our video so that it encourages us to keep doing more and more of it. Thank you.